a minute.
Yeah? Tom?
It's gonna rattle the speaker.
Alright guys, please be quiet,
Yeah.
be respectful, and listen. Begin presenting in 3, 2, 1, go for it.
Hi, my name is Ari. I am in first grade and I am 7 years old. And my robot's name is Ari Claude. And my parts on my robot are beams, angle beams, and pegs and gears. And my programming blocks are loop block and move block and the and switch. And now I'm going to show you what I did. Any questions?
Can you show us one more time? Any questions, guys?
Yeah.
What is that thing in your hand? Why do you push it?
It's the controller.
How does it work?
You press these buttons and they like move it.
Using what sensor?
Using the switch.
Okay. Any other questions, guys?
No.
Yes?
How long did it take you to build that?
3 classes.
Any other questions? Alright, Ari, thank you.
Thank
Give him a round of applause.